Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to add page border in Word. Like and subscribe, support the channel, let's get started. So we go to the Design tab on the toolbar. In this tab on the right we find the Page Borders button. Clicking on it opens a window with which you can adjust the page borders. First, pay attention to the setting area on the left. As you can see, nothing is selected here. That is, there are no borders, which is confirmed by the thumbnail of the page on the right, which displays all the changes during setup. So here we can choose the standard shape of the borders, box, shadow, 3D, or manually adjust some kind of border. Let's choose the box option. Now in the second area called Style, we can customize which border it will be. Firstly, what character of the line will be solid, dotted, double, and so on. Let's choose double. Then choose what color this line will have. Let's choose blue. What will be the width of this line? For example, let's choose a thick line. And if desired, you can add some kind of drawing, a wide selection of which is presented in the art list. In general, a huge number of settings. And in the preview area, as I said earlier, the view of the border itself is shown, but also here you can specify whether you want to from all sides of the page the border or only some of them. And if you click the Options button, you can flexibly configure at what distance from the edge of the page our border will be located. And if you select Measure from the text, then all distances will be measured from the edge of the text and not from the edge of the page. We'll leave measuring from the edge of the page and let's make 10 points from all sides. Now that everything is set up, click OK, then OK again, and borders appear in our document and on each page. That's all, now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.